feature the elevators at Thayer Hall at Point Park University in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are Innovation Bruiser fixtures. Get the left one. These are bigger. These have 2-car lanterns. These are 2-car lanterns. Down to the basement. Here we go down. That door is ridiculously squeaky. These are slow. That sounds like a Fujitech floor passing buzz. Look up to 10. I think those people got the other elevator. Here we go up. Yeah, I think either Hatfield or Marshall modded these. Indicator's a bit delayed. These are very slow, even though they serve more floors than Academic Hall. Ugh. Yeah, 1964 installs. These don't serve 6. Didn't notice that before. You're 10. Back down to 1. And your phone. Here's 5.9 elevators, certificate installed 1964. Basic cabbies are very slow for some reason. Not sure why they're so slow. Hello, big brother. And these ones have lanterns on both the outside and the inside. We're stopping at 5.